Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today we are getting into some perm rods. So I bought these perm rods at my local beauty supply store. They were $1.29 per pack. Very affordable. I was debating if I wanted to do the perm rods or the pipe cleaners, but the pipe cleaners I bought were very cheap, and as soon as I took them out the bag, they started like shedding, and there's no way in my right mind I'm gonna put some shedding pipe cleaners in my hair, and I'll just have all those little colors in there because it was like a colorful pack. So we're gonna hold off on the pipe cleaners until I find like some black good quality ones. But today we're using the perm rods. These perm rods come in a pack of 12. These are the long perm rods. I was debating what size to get because they had some that were a little bit smaller than the ones that I have now, and they're about 2 inches long. So this is what we're going to do today. I bought a pack of 7 because I do have 140 locks, but I do plan on putting 2 locks per perm rod. So I'm only doing 70 perm rods in my hair. So I bought an extra pack just in case some of them break or I lose some or something over time. So rather be safe than sorry. So I'm going to use this Cream of Nature coconut milk foaming mousse. It has a medium hold and it says define style. So we're gonna see if this works. Knowing my hair, the curls will probably fall out soon. I don't know if I plan on sitting under the dryer or if I'm going to wait until tomorrow to take them out. I might wait till tomorrow just to give it that extra set. But I'm only using this mousse because I bought it a while back for my 2-strand twist, but I didn't use it because half of it wasted on my bed, and I just felt like that was the time not to use it. So now I'm going to use it today. I kind of wish I had a foam with a better hold. But we're going to see how this one works. I'm trying to see, do I want to do it here in the bathroom? I like the light that I'm getting right now. I'm going to try to set up something over here and I'll be back. Okay, so I decided to move to the bathroom because I feel like this is the best view of my hair that I can get. I do have a shirt on, y'all. So I don't want y'all to think I'm just naked right now, but I am going to divide my hair up. I'm not going to wash my hair or anything because I've seen people and they just mist their hair and then add the foam and then did it like that. So that's how I am going to attempt to do it. This is not a tutorial. Maybe when I get it down pat, I will be more than happy to make y'all a tutorial. But today is going to be a trial and error because I know this might not turn out how I want it to turn out. So we're going to divide the back up. I feel like I should do the back first because I just know it's going to take so much longer. I've never used perm rods before. Okay, so we're gonna start with the front. Got my perm rod. This is what they look like. They have like a little elastic band on there. If you've never seen what a perm rod looks like, you roll your hair around the perm rod and then you put the cap on and it will keep your hair on the perm rod. So we're gonna start off with the first 2. Actually, we're gonna start off back here. Okay, we're gonna take our spray bottle and we're gonna spray them locks. We're just gonna mist it because that's what the other girlies were doing. They were just misting it. We're not drenching our hair or anything. And then we're gonna take some foam and then we're just gonna wrap the foam around, get a good amount of foam on there. And we're gonna take our perm rod and we're going to start on the ends and wrap them. And I'm wrapping them away from my hair because I want them to fall like going away from my head. Did I do that right? I don't know if I did that right or not, but we're just gonna keep going because I don't want to spend all day doing this. Miss, I should get like a towel, 2 pumps. This time I'm gonna wrap my hair around this side. Okay. It's a little harder than I expected. Oh, I did it the wrong way. We're gonna wrap it this way. This is gonna take so long. Okay, there we go. 2 down. Whew, a lot more to go. Take my 2 locks. I'm not really misting my roots. You can if you want to. Then I do 2 pumps. Take it down a lot. So this is what the perm roll looks like. I'm gonna start from this end this time. I think that's how you keep it on there. Hold on. That's how you keep it on there. So I'm gonna wrap it around. The first wrap, I wrap my ends with it. And then we're just gonna pull it up like so. Clamp it in there. Okay. These are gonna be so cute. This is gonna take, ouch. Oh my goodness, that hurt. I'm gonna wrap it. Get them Loc Sprinkles wrapped up in there. Okay. Ouch. Y'all, I feel like I just be ow. Okay. I just want them to turn out. Ooh. See, that's why I bought extras, because it just popped off. Yeah, this is super easy. I think this is way easier than the pipe cleaners. Okay, hold on. Am I speaking too fast? So, just sometimes I be wishing I had thicker locks. I wish I had fewer locks because this was gonna take too long. I'm having a hard time trying to keep my ends in here. Okay, I think that's how you do it. Okay, my arms are getting tired, but this is how much I have now. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do this side and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I finally finished half of my head. It actually didn't take me as long as I thought it was gonna take. But I kind of like this short look. Like, is there a style out there where I could rock like a little, like I've seen the lock froze or whatever, but like this is kind of cute. I never had a problem with short hair. I can rock short hair. That's why I always do a big chop. But like, I kind of miss it. Like, they better be curly. They better be curly and they better be stylable. Because I'm going to be mad if they're not. Because I will definitely take this spray bottle and spray them curls right on out. So now I'm going to do the other side. But we're going to start with the back. It takes longer doing the back. I tried to do the ones on this side all going away from my face. So now I have to do it the same with this side. Alright, so I'm going to start doing this side and then I'm going to come back when I get to the front. Alright y'all, so I just finished the back. This is what we're looking like. I hope everything lays how it's supposed to lay. I just got this front section to do. I finally got the hang of it. And then we're gonna clip it in there. Here we go. So I like to mix 4 at a time, so I know what I'm working with and it won't dry out. It won't dry out by the time I get to them. And then all I'm gonna do is wrap them around. Uh-oh. Alright, finally doing the last one. Okay, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. It took me like an hour. An hour and a half, maybe. Okay. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Should I go sit under the dryer? Okay, I'm gonna let it air dry actually for a little bit. And then I might sit under the dryer, but we're gonna see how this turns out. Clean up my mess and I'll be back. It's the next day and I highly suggest not to sleep in these things. I had the worst sleep ever and I just tied them up to kind of keep them closer to my head, but I'm just so tender-headed now that it makes no sense. I'm pretty sure they're all dry, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna sit on the dryer for like 10 minutes and I'll be back to show y'all the takedown process. Okay y'all, so I sat under the dryer for 10 minutes. Now let's see how they are going to look. Okay, actually, I'm gonna start with this one right here. Actually, I'm gonna start with this one. They're so curly. What am I gonna do with this? Okay, okay, okay. What am I supposed to do with this? I thought they were gonna be like a little looser, but okay. We're gonna take the rest out. Hold on. Okay. They're easy to take out. Just pop them and pull them. They're so tight. Okay, so the way to do it is start wrapping at the end. So when they're like this and you take the top off, you can just pull them out. That's how you do it. And I'm glad that I did most of them like that. What? I look like somebody's grandmama. What am I supposed to do? What am I gonna do? I didn't wrap the end up in this one. It's okay. Take cute. Like, it's giving Shirley Temple for sure. I don't know, should I separate the curls? We'll see once I take all of these out. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? We're gonna separate them. I'm just gonna comb my fingers through them. So this is what one side looks like, kind of combed out. This side's combed out, this side is not. It just gave it a little bit more volume, but I kind of wish that I kept them together. Because what am I supposed to do with my hair? So I'm going to attempt, I combed out this side. I'm going to attempt to do a styling video to see if I can kind of make this look decent. I combed out both sides now and I did a little shake, but I'm gonna do a 360 for y'all. Like, it's kind of cute. So this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.